Guys, before watching this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button so that you can get updates from my channel because I post every week. So this video is going to be about how I clean my laptop, which is the Acer Aspire touchscreen laptop. Now as you can see, my laptop is quite dirty, and before you judge me on the basis of how I keep my laptop, I just want to tell you that I'm a completely unorganized kind of a person who finds it very difficult to find things at the right time and properly maintain things. It's really a miracle that a person like me has a channel on YouTube. I've made about 550 videos in my lifetime, and all of those videos have been edited on this laptop. Yes, this very laptop. Now, I know that most of my earlier videos are not worth watching, but they are very special to me because I am an unorganized kind of a person who takes a ridiculous amount of time to master something. So you have to deal with it. Now, coming back to my laptop, well, this thing is ridiculously dirty. It has a lot of dust, a lot of germs and bacteria, whatever you want to call it, because I haven't cleaned it for quite some time now. Now, most people say that a laptop is more filthy and has more bacteria compared to a toilet seat. Well, I think that's completely true, and my laptop is living proof of it, because whatever toilet seats I've seen, they're more cleaner and more nicer than my laptop over here. Now, if any of your things or equipment is being compared to a toilet seat, then you need to up your game and use a germicidal for that thing. And by germicidal, I mean using a good bottle of surgical spirit. Yes, you heard me right. Surgical spirit is the same thing which they use in hospitals. Don't worry, you can get this stuff at any local chemist. Now, before starting, just wipe or dust the laptop with a good clean cloth. Now, after you've done that, take a dab of spirit on a cotton roll and wipe the laptop with it. Now wipe it as if you're touching your girlfriend for the first time. You need to be gentle. Now I know that there'll be some professional laptop cleaners in the comment section who will resort to even abusing me for using a cotton roll. They will say that, ooh, you didn't use a microfiber towel, you didn't use a microfiber cloth, cotton roll, ooh. But cotton roll is just fine. It gets the job done, provided you do it gently. Anyways, I'll probably be speeding up the video over here to save time. Now as you can see, it's kind of difficult to clean the area between the keys of the laptop. So for this, I have a simple solution. Now I saw a pen lying around, I took it, I removed the refill, attached a piece of cotton to it, and then dipped the cotton in a bit of spirit and started cleaning it. Yep, you can see it. I'm unorganized to the point of being cheap. You can use matchsticks or whatever, earbuds, whatever that you find. I didn't have any of those, so I used the refill. Big deal. Just navigate that stick in those difficult areas and watch it shine. That's what she said. Did she? No, I'm talking about the laptop, guys. Yes, and that area will be as clean as it was brand new. By the way, guys, look at the amount of dirt that came off. Damn, are you serious? Look at it. It's so filthy. The same goes for the piece of cotton. Look at the amount of dirt on it. So after following these steps, you will eventually end up with a laptop like this. Beautiful, right? So guys, I hope you like this quick laptop cleaning tutorial which you could do any place, anytime. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon to receive future updates from my channel. This is Swappy on the Biker saying goodbye to all of you. Thank you for watching.